Everybody sing with me. Come on now. Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Hallelujah. Oh, oh, oh. All right now. Fellas, don't be cruel. Or whether you like it sometimes when you act the fool. Come on now, sister. Yeah. Don't be shy. Can't let somebody get loose. Right to got to fly. Yeah. Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Hallelujah. Oh, oh, oh. All right now. This is only for the sexy people. You like this song, huh? America, have you heard? There's a sexy new dance called the bird. No heat, no connect, no personality. Just put you out in an attitude. Everybody, 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 everybody. What?
He's a little shy. My God. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah. Huh? I'm on to the bar. Shake my shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it down, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up now. I can do that again. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your booty. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your booty. Booty. What the heck you come here for? This is Mr. Vincent on bass. Yeah.
America, have you heard? There's a brand new dance, it's called the bird. You don't need no finesse, no personality. You just put two arms in the attitude. Everybody, everybody, everybody. Hallelujah.